Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Azrini Fakhriani binti Muhammad Azrul Khairi, and today I will present our group project entitled Analysis of an Agriculture Project under the subject FPA 100 Green Spinach. The FPA 100 course provide us with both the theoretical knowledge and practical experience, from basic agriculture concept to hands-on field work. As part of the assignment, we must carry out an individual or group cultivation project to understand every step of the crop production process. I choose the grow spinach because it's easy to manage and mature quickly 3 or 4 weeks. Has consistently stable market demand. It's rich in iron and vitamin, making it ideal for everyday diets. Through this project, I'm to learn how to manage input like seeds, fertilizer, and labor. Practice crop care techniques like watering, pest control, plant costs, and estimated yields. Explanation of concept. First, output. The output is the total amount of green spinach harvested from approximately 33 plots. 2. Feed costs. Feed costs are expenses that stay the same regardless of output. This includes land area, salary, equipment rental, and insurance. 3. Variable costs. Variable costs change based on production level. This includes fertilizer, labor, spinach, seed, and pest repellents. 4. Selling price. The market price for spinach is RM3 per 500 grams. Revenue. Revenue is calculated by multiplying total output by the selling price. Profit maximization. The maximized profit, we compare total revenue with total cost. Profit equal to revenue minus fixed cost plus variable cost.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hazri Ikunuddin bin Muhammad Farouk. My number matric is 2025155277. Now let's go through to inputs. Project inputs for green spinach cultivation. Inputs refer to all the resources used in the green spinach cultivation process from the propagation stage to harvesting. This input can be categorized into fixed inputs and variable inputs. Fixed inputs are resources that remain unchanged regardless of the level of output. This include farming tools, planting site, and seedling trays or fixed planting beds. Example for farming tools is hoe, sickle, watering can, and shovel. Planting seed, land area provided by the institution. 2. Variable input. Variable input change depending on the scale of production or activity. This include type of inputs, green spinach, and the description purchased from local agriculture supplier, fertilizer, organic NPK. The description to support leaf and root development. Next, natural insect repellents for pest control during the growing phase. And the water is applied daily depending on weather condition. The polybag or seedling tray used for nursery stage or control planting system. And the last one, labor carried out by group member. Student involvement is present conclusion. In this present calculation, it has 10 items: hoe, watering can, seedling trays, land area, green spinach, seed, fertilizer, pest repellents, water, polybag, and labor. The type of present calculation is just 2: fixed and variable. Quantity of hoe is 3 units, watering can 8 units, seedling tray 4 trays. Land area has 23 plot, green spinach seed 2 bag, fertilizer 1 bag, pest repellents 5 liter, water 9.9 liter. Polybag, it doesn't have a quantity, we don't use it. And the labor is 23 labor. unit of cost whole 3 unit of whole is for 46 ringgit, and watering can 11.19 ringgit. The dining tray for 4 tray is 350. Green spinach 27 ringgit, fertilizer 70 ringgit, pest repellents 23 ringgit, and the total cost of labor is 1,800 ringgit. Remarks for whole is good quality, reusable for nursery stage, provided by institution, sources from local supply, apply weekly for pest control, daily watering for seedling trays, for polybag is for seedling stage, and the labor conducted by group members. Next slide is the total fixed input cost, total variable cost, and total input cost. The total variable cost, we plus all the total cost, we can see at slide present calculation. We total the total cost 100 ringgit 95 and to 20 cents, 40 ringgit, 54 ringgit, 70 ringgit, 150 ringgit, and 41,400 ringgit. And we plus it, and we got 41,639 ringgit. And the total fixed input cost is 247 ringgit and 20 cents. So how can we get the total input cost? How we can get the total input cost is we plus for 41,639 ringgit and 247 ringgit and 20 cents. We plus it, so we can get the total. The total is 41,889 88 cents. 41,886 ringgit and 20 cents. That's all from me.
Thank you, Ezri, for his explanation. Now, I can explain the next slide. This slide, I can explain the total fixed input cost, total variable cost, and total input cost. First, total fixed input cost equal to 247.2 cents, and total variable cost equal to 41,639 ringgit. And lastly, total input cost equal to 41,886.20 cents. Next, I can explain the output. Project output for green spinach cultivation. The output refers to the final result of the cultivation process, mainly in terms of harvested yield, which will later be analyzed for marketability, revenue, and profit. First, type of output. Main output to fresh spinach leaf ready for sale or consumption. Second, estimate yield. The expected yield will depend on various factors such as the size of the planting area, seed quality, care during cultivation, and environmental condition. The plot size, I painting circle. The estimate yield 10 to 50 kg. To time harvest period 3 to 4 weeks after sowing. Third, quality of output. First one, the harvested spinach is expected to be fresh, green, and healthy, suitable for market sale. Second point, quality control is done by removing yellow, damaged, or pest affected leaf. And lastly, harvest method. Harvesting is done manually by cutting matured leaf using clean scissors or a small knife. And lastly, leaves are collected in basket and sorted before packaging or weaving. Total output equal 45 kg multiply 23 plot equal 34.5 kg. Revenue equal 34.5 kg plus 3 ringgit equal 37 ringgit 50 cent. The profit or loss, the formula is revenue minus total input cost. 37 ringgit 50 cent minus 41,886 ringgit 20 cent. They equal minus 41,848 ringgit 70 cent. The loss. Conclusion. In conclusion, the economy practical session in FPA 100 have deepened our understanding of how economy principles are applied in real agriculture setting through hand-on activities such as farm budgeting, cost analysis, input-output calculation, and market observation. We were able to connect theoretical knowledge with practical experience. This session have helped us to analyze production, cost, evaluate profitability, and understand how economic decisions affect farm operation. Overall, this practical exposure has prepared us to make informed and efficient economic decisions in the agricultural sector.